Hello guys, welcome back. Today I am going to discuss about tab bar control by using storyboard. How to create a tab bar by using storyboard. So firstly we will discuss UI tab bar controller in C by using storyboard tutorial and UI kit. So a container view controller that manages a multi-selection interface where the selection determines which child view to display. Where the selection determines which child view to display. So firstly we're gonna open your Xcode and create a new project. Select application, single view application. Project name is tab bar demo. This is our project name. This is interface, storyboard interface by using storyboard interface and UI kit and silent lifecycle, UI kit, app delegate, language shift. We can create the project next and create the project. So okay guys, create on this project. So we gonna try on this storyboard. Firstly view controller. This is the firstly view controller, and so today discusses topic a container. Today discusses topic UI tab bar controller. A container view controller that manages a multi-selection interface where the selection determines which child view. So we're gonna write up UI tab bar controller, tab bar item and tab bar. So we said no. Firstly UI view controller, we're gonna write up editor embed in tab bar controller. So this is a tab bar controller, and we can remove and delete on this item scene. This is a tab bar view controller. So we can use another view controller is UI navigation controller. View controller. So this is a navigation view controller. Okay, and suppose this is a navigation. We can select on this view controller, editor embed in navigation controller. So this is a navigation controller, this is a view controller. We design view controller, and this is a navigation controller. So we're gonna attach in tab bar controller and navigation controller. Control press and drag drop. So this is a view controller, and this is a root view controller. So we can life cycle is tab bar controller, and this navigation controller is style on this tab bar, and this is a design on this view controller. So we're gonna drag drop UI label on this controller. We're gonna apply this constant label horizontally and vertically center. We're gonna apply this constant. This is a 24 and line is 4 line text, and we're gonna use this is a phone view controller. This is a phone view. Suppose this is a phone view. Enter. Suppose which have attached on this number, attached numbers. So attached numbers. Okay, suppose this is a regular and heavy word width. So this is a font weight changes for 24 and 3 lines, and attach numbers contact. So this is a 24. Horizontal and vertical is center. So we're gonna tab bar. We can create another tab bar. So we will show another tab bar view controller. So we're gonna close on this event and run the full screen. First is tab bar view controller, second is navigation view controller, third is view controller. So this is a zoom is 30% is 40% zoom. So this is the use of another view controller. Another view controller, we're gonna drag up another view controller on this screen, and this is the embed in editor, embed in navigation controller. Suppose navigation controller, and we can remove, we can delete on this controller. This is the navigation controller. We're gonna attach on this tab bar, control press, and this view controller relationship is view controller, and we're gonna develop UI navigation controller, sorry, view controller. So view controller, we're gonna attach on this view controller and navigation controller. This is root view controller. This is root view controller, this is another view controller, root view controller. And this is we're gonna apply this image, UI image view, command D, and this to image view. We're gonna select on this to image, embed in stack views, and we're gonna apply this constraint stack horizontal vertically center, and stack views, first image view. We're gonna apply this constraint, first image view. We're gonna apply this constraint height and width. Suppose 300 height and 200 width. We're gonna apply this constraint. We're gonna apply this constraint, and stack views. Spacing is 24, and alignment is fill, distributor is fill equal. Okay, so we can image set on this image, and we're gonna set on this image view. We're gonna apply this image, sorry, image view. So we're gonna import on this, import asset, and import on this icon and images. Kingfisher import, and import this images, sorry, Kingfisher and image asset. This is a message image view, messages, and import on this tab bar icons. So tab bar icons is light 20. So this is the animal around phone image icon. We're gonna import on this phone image. Suppose network and telephone. We're gonna apply this to network and telephone. We're gonna import on this network and telephone. So second is image controller. We're gonna apply this image, import. So this is a first is images, sorry, this is a tab bar image. This is a tab bar image. We can apply, import this image, import asset, and import on this image is parrot image. assets, import these images, and we're gonna turn on the desktop and download. This is the parrot images. Parrot images. So this is view controller, image view controller. We're gonna change on this images, parrot image, parrot first, and this is the parrot second. This is image. I'm gonna apply this parrot second parrot. We're gonna set on this UI parrot images, and we're gonna apply this career constraints, and we're gonna apply this constraint height and width. Suppose is 350 height, width and is 30,000 height. We're gonna apply this constraint. Okay, and stack view fill equal 24 line on this image. So we can set on this image, and navigation bar item we can change this navigation bar to parrot images, parrot images, navigation bar title. This is set on this navigation bar title, and on this navigation bar title, and change on this images by tab bar item on this images parrot. So this is a kingfisher images, parrot tab bar, and item name is parrot. Sorry, images. This is the images name. Change on this tab bar icon, set on this tab bar icon and tab bar images. So we can set on this first view controller, and this is another view controller is tab bar say. So this is another view controller attach on this numbers, and we're gonna apply this height and width 3000 height and width is 100. We're gonna apply this constant. We can set this is a phone view attached with the number and contact. We're gonna apply this constant, and we're gonna set this tab bar title. So this is a phone view, phone numbers. Navigation bar title is phone number. We're gonna set this color. Navigation bar title is the phone number, and we're gonna set on this image navigation bar title and images phone telephone images, and this is the telephone. We're gonna set on this title name is phone. We're gonna set on this tab bar controller, and we can change on this another. So this is the change on this another view controller. So this is a tab bar, and this is use of view controller, we're gonna try to view controller on this storyboard. We're gonna try to view controller, and embed is navigation controller editor, and embed in navigation controller. This is the root view controller, and we're gonna attach on this tab bar controller, control plus, and this is the relationship is view controller. So relationship is this is the view controller. Relationship this is the view controller. So we're gonna set on this view controller, and this is a type. So this is a navigation set on this navigation bar items, images, telephone, Wi-Fi signal. This is a Wi-Fi, internet, and internet, and this channel on this color, suppose yellow color. sorry, default color. And internet, we're gonna apply this UI label on this. We're gonna write up UI label on this. Apply on this constraint on this label. Horizontally, vertically center. Horizontally and vertically center. We're gonna apply this constraint height and width. This is a 300 height and 100 width. We're gonna apply this constraint and change on this type of label. So this is internet connection controller. This is the internet connection controller, and we're gonna change on this font. Suppose heavy and it's 34, and this is the change on this line. Limit is 4. We're gonna set on this height and width constraint, update on this height and width constraint. So this height is 100 is 200 height. So this is change on this control. Okay, done. And change on this tab bar title. Tab bar title is internet connection. Internet connection is a navigation bar title. Internet connection, the internet connection navigation bar title. And we're gonna write up another is view controller, 3 view controller, 1, 2nd and 3rd tab bar controller. This is the 4th view controller. We're gonna check on this image 4th view controller, assets and image, parrot and telephone and Wi-Fi. Okay, we can done on the tab bar view controller. So this is the tab bar view controller, is initial view controller. We're gonna run on this, check on this one. So first list, what is tab bar controller? UI tab bar controller, a container view controller that manages a multi-selection interface. Multi-selection interface. Manage a multi-selection interface where the selection determines which child view to display. Where the selection determines which child view to display on this event. So we can change on this screen height and width, and we're gonna run on this iPhone SE, run on this event. Tab bar demo iPhone SE 2nd generation. We're gonna run on this event. Tab bar controller is the initial view controller. Run on this iPhone SE 2nd generation. We're gonna apply on this tab bar event. So what is and multi-selection view? So first is phone, and second is image, third is internet. First is phone, tab on this images, and third is internet. This is the internet connection controller. Internet tab bar title, and this is the images. We can set on this image, parrot images, and this is tab bar is iPhone. This is the phone we attach on this one bar. We can change color on this tab bar, color change. The tab bar color on this change. Tab bar change on this color. View. This is the tab bar, change on this color. Change this color. Suppose first color is pink color, tab bar, and third tab bar change this color on this green color, and third tab bar color this change on this yellow color. So we can run on this. We're gonna run on this tab bar view controller. This is the initial view controller. We're gonna run and we can check on this. This is a phone view controller. This is firstly is initially this is a phone view controller attached. Second is image view controller. Third is internet connection view controller. Third is internet connection view controller. So we're gonna check on this one. So thank you for watching this video. We can use of tab bar view controller, and we're gonna enjoy on this video.